Yo, yo, yo,
130 the producer.
yo, 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 yo,
What's up, y'all? This is your boy D-Mark, back at it again with another vlog. Today we at Holly LS Fest in Bowling Green, or Beach Bend Raceway. I should have said something earlier, intro the video, but I was just trying to get here and get some footage and videos and pictures and stuff. But got some cool footage of drag racing, a few clips of drifting, and then as you can see behind me, it probably looked like shit because it's about to rain, and it's been raining, but I honestly think it's about to get worse. So I don't know if we're gonna get anything else. It's a bunch of sick cars though. So if not, we'll just put some footage together and y'all watch that shit. So yeah, I'm about to put this camera up before it starts raining.
I think that's Guitar Mazette 01.
stopped the drag racing for today. They're still doing autocross, and basically said that if it doesn't rain anymore, then they'll do some drifting later on. But for now, it's just autocross. So I'm gonna just walk around, see what kind of cool shit we can see, and then yeah, if we can get some drifting, I'll definitely get some video. So yeah. Sick though. This is one of my favorite colors on the Vet, the Carbon 65 edition. So clean. This color is so till I show y'all the inside of this beach. Look at this. Shit crazy. It's fucking insane. You good, man? You good? Hell yeah. I seen it from that side and walked over and I was like,
I seen it from, I'm like, I gotta check this fucking thing
yeah,
out.
hell yeah. Thing's sick.
That is insane.
Oh yeah.
I wonder what the fuck it runs.
I don't know, man.
He's had to run it.
Yeah. Right.